If you're a person who are using Google Drive to share files or even to receive files that are shared by others, I'm going to show you how to check what files were shared with you and by whom. So how do you do that? Once you're inside Google Drive, guys, all you have to do, click on the left hand side where you have shared with me. Once you click on that, you can see all those different files and folders. As you can see here, you have the name, you also have the date and time, right, when it was shared. As you can see here, it shows which month it was shared, it shows the date that it was shared, and also you have the section in the middle here that says shared by. So you can see, you can scroll down and you can see all of those different files, by whom they were shared and when they were shared, and you can easily access files and folders by doing this. So in case someone said, hey, I've shared some files and folders with you and you're not able to find it because you have so many files on your drive, this is how you can really check to ensure if and when someone shared something with you, and so that you can easily access it if it's not easy to find. And that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple. Here you have it, guys. I really hope you found value within this video, and if you do, don't forget to take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.